The YouTube landscape of 2024, where your niche isn't just a choice, it's your financial destiny. I've cracked the code on 7 profit-driven niches that can transform your channel from a hobby into a money-making powerhouse. Let me break down a real-world scenario that'll make you rethink everything you know about YouTube earnings. I ran an experiment across my channels that exposed a brutal truth about content creation. Views don't tell the whole story. 2 videos, completely different trajectories. One hit 15,000 views, the other rocketed to 47,000. But here's the shocker, their earnings? Almost identical. The 15,000 view video pulled in $200, while the 47,000 view monster generated just $250. The lower view video lived in a high-value territory with a CPM of $30 and an RPM of $10. Its viral counterpart, stuck in a low-earning wasteland with a CPM of $3 and an RPM of $1.20. Imagine 2 channels both hitting 1 million views. One might scrape by with a meager $1,000. The other, a potential $10,000 payday. The difference? Nothing but the niche. I'm about to unveil 7 profitable niches that guarantee 2 critical ingredients. Explosive earning potential. Beginner-friendly content creation. Let me be real with you. Each video takes weeks of relentless research and countless sleepless nights. Without your likes, comments, and shares, these videos might never reach the creators who desperately need them. Every like is a lifeline. The YouTube algorithm moves only when you move it. So if this video has value, hit that like button and help a creator survive. Niche 1, Business Stories. Let's take a closer look at an example channel in this niche, Company Man. Now, let's scroll through the channel's videos to see what kind of content they're creating. Company Man focuses on detailed business documentaries, covering the rise and fall of iconic companies, market trends, and the strategies behind some of the biggest brands in the world. Next, let's dive into the channel's data. Click on See More. The channel Company Man joined YouTube on May 12, 2017, and has since amassed approximately 300 million total views across its 402 videos. With an impressive subscriber count of 1.76 million, this channel has firmly established itself as a leading name in the business stories niche. Now, let's look at the channel's estimated earnings using Social Blade. This channel earns approximately $7,000 per month and up to $83,000 annually, making it one of the top-performing channels in this niche. The CPM for business stories is estimated to be between $60 and $80, while the RPM can reach up to $30 per 1,000 views. These rates are significantly higher compared to many other niches due to the premium audience it attracts: business professionals, entrepreneurs, and high-income earners. Keep in mind, this is our first niche, and it sets the benchmark with its incredible earning potential and evergreen appeal. Niche 2, AI Tools News and Tutorials. Our second niche focuses on AI tools news and tutorials, a rapidly growing category with massive potential for creators. Let's take a closer look at an example channel in this niche, AI Uncovered. AI Uncovered joined YouTube on April 9, 2023, and has already gained an impressive 159K subscribers. With 487 videos and approximately 15 million views, this channel showcases just how much growth is possible in the AI niche within a short time frame. Using Social Blade, we can estimate the channel's earnings to be around $2,000 per month, adding up to an annual income of approximately $24,000. This demonstrates the niche's potential for creators looking to build a sustainable income through consistent uploads and strategic content creation. One of the key strengths of this niche is its relevance and longevity. AI tools are continuously evolving, meaning content around AI updates, tutorials, and news will remain evergreen for years to come. Channels like AI Uncovered typically create content using stock footage, screenshots of AI tools, and simple voiceovers. Moreover, with CPMs and RPMs averaging around $30 to $40 and $15 per 1,000 views, the earning potential here is substantial. This is due to the premium audience, tech enthusiasts and professionals attracted by this content. Niche 3, Health. Health, a consistently popular and profitable category with a vast audience. Let's explore an example channel in this niche, Fitness D. This niche joined YouTube on April 3, 2021, and has since grown to 81.6K subscribers, with over 12.9 million views across 235 videos. Health-focused content is known for its strong earning potential, with CPMs ranging from $30 to $50 and RPMs averaging $14 to $18. This makes it a highly profitable niche for creators. Niche 4, book summaries, a highly engaging category for knowledge seekers and self-improvement enthusiasts. A standout example in this space is the channel Escaping Ordinary. This channel joined YouTube on January 11, 2018, and has grown to an impressive 1.49 million subscribers with only 15 videos, amassing over 53 million views. These stats showcase the incredible potential of well-crafted content in this niche. Book summary channels often benefit from a premium audience, leading to CPMs of around $25 to $40 and RPMs of $10 to $25. Your support means the world to us. Subscribe now and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Niche 5, history, a timeless category that continues to captivate viewers by diving into the fascinating stories of our past. A great example of success in this niche is the channel Serious History. This channel joined YouTube on December 28, 2023, and has quickly grown to 182K subscribers with only 28 videos, amassing an impressive 12 million views. The history niche often attracts a dedicated and engaged audience, leading to CPMs of $40 to $60 and RPMs ranging from $20 to $30. Channels like Serious History use a combination of visuals, voiceovers, and meticulous research to present historical events. Niche 6, facts, a widely popular category that thrives on curiosity and discovery. A prime example in this niche is the channel List 25. This channel has been captivating audiences since October 28, 2006, growing to an impressive 2.63 million subscribers with an extensive library of 2,631 videos, amassing a staggering 700 million views. The facts niche is known for its high engagement and massive audience appeal, with CPMs ranging from $25 to $40 and RPMs of $15 to $20, making it a sustainable and rewarding choice for content creators. If we look at Social Blade's analytics, this channel is estimated to earn $18,000 per month to a staggering $200,000 plus annually. This serves as a live example of the immense earning potential this niche holds. Niche 7, inspirational and motivational videos. Ideal for creating content that uplifts and inspires. A prime example is the channel Feel the Real Good, with 101K subscribers, 32 videos, and over 3 million views, having joined YouTube on November 16, 2023. According to Social Blade, this channel earns approximately $1,600 per month and $19,000 annually, highlighting its earning potential. With a CPM ranging from $20 to $40 and an RPM around $10 to $20. This niche balances meaningful content with solid revenue. AI is revolutionizing content creation, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality videos with minimal effort. Imagine earning thousands of dollars and reaching millions of viewers with simple tools and techniques. Now, there's an AI tool that can take this process to a whole new level, InVideo AI. This platform is a game changer. It can handle everything: writing scripts, finding relevant footage, adding voiceovers, creating subtitles, and delivering a ready-to-publish video, all with just a single text prompt. Here's how you can get started. Sign up quickly using your Google account. Enter your video title and click Generate to create a script tailored to your topic. Choose your preferred video duration and format, then click Generate again. In seconds, the tool begins assembling your video. With the paid version, you unlock faster results and premium features to make your content even better. Once your video is ready, you can easily make edits by clicking on any part of the content to refine it further. It's that simple. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, InVideo AI can help you produce professional quality videos effortlessly and open doors to incredible earning opportunities. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.